front of me is OnePlus CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by clicking on clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three dots at the top right one. Select settings and adjust all of those under alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back, and to create a new alarm, use this button with a plus at the bottom. Then manage all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on one of those repeat options, ring once, workdays or custom. Click on alarm name and type in wherever you want to. When you're ready, you can tap on ringtone and pick one of those system themes to apply a perfect ringtone for you. Or select on this device, tap on any song from your smartphone and go back. Now you can tap on snooze and switch it on or off thanks to this switcher. If you decided to enable it, you can also adjust it by picking how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back, manage haptic feedback thanks to this switcher. And finally, to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is here. To edit it, tap on it, make your changes and hit done. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, just hold it and click delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!